Welcome to growing your own food in your own backyard. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the like button. Just want to give you an update about my green onion plants. This is a really simple project. The green onions you buy in the store, don't throw the little white part away with the bottom part rather, with the roots at the bottom. You can actually put them in soil and they will grow back again. As you can see, I've got this one growing real well, and I planted 5 more in this pot just maybe 2 weeks ago, and they're already growing. This is really easy to grow. It keeps you from throwing away those bottom tips of your scallion onions, and in 2 weeks you're going to have onions that you can use in your salads and in your cooking. And I keep these on my patio, and whenever I want onions, I just snip them off right here at the base, and they grow right back. And then again, when this is mature, I'll just snip it off at the base, and they just keep growing and providing you with a harvest of onions for the remaining of the summer season. So just wanted to share that with you. And if anyone has any tips or better ways of growing certain plants that I present in my video, or you have some success stories or some trials and errors, please share your comments. I look forward to hearing from you. And I want to give a shout out to Janita Loving It. Please check out her channel. Her subscription is below, and thank you for watching.